頑張頑張頑張。
レンタカーが
レントカーと
Maybe
バスは何がいい？
I don't know, but I think little bit cheap too.
What, really?
国場行きます。国場の方まで。はい。国場ごめんなさい。行きます。ありがとうございます。
え、マジでありがとうございます。
国場にはなんか用事で、国場には用事。
あ、からレンタカー借りてネオパークとかそっちの方に行こうかな。
No way. So, thanks to the kind gentleman for allowing us to hop onto his car. We're kind of near to the rental place, but a bit lost. So Tomohiro is just calling the place right now, so that way we get a better idea of where they actually are. We don't know where we are at the moment exactly, but yeah, just a interesting day so far. I never thought that hitchhiking actually worked. 答えはないか。残念ですね。どうしような。Well, regardless, I'm still enjoying the day. Lovely clear skies and hot weather. It's about 20 degrees, I think. What happened?
ダメだ。
Ah,
どうしよう。ありますか。あ、なるほど。わかる。お店で話しても大丈夫ですかね。あ、それ見てみてください。お金もちょっと見たいので。はい。
so we found a place to rent a car and we're just walking to it now. Tomohiro just getting set up. I'm just gonna get a drink in the meantime. Nice.
Wow. Oh, crazy good face. Crazy. I wanna see.
We are not stopping for ice cream again.
Not, yeah,
No, we are not stopping for
Yeah.
ice cream. You had.
I can't stop.
Otherwise, you'll have problem with your stomach again. And you're gonna go toilet again.
中動物園。
なんかどんくらいかかりますかね。
ダチョウがいます。
何時間くらい。何分くらい。
いや、もうそこ終わります。
ご飯食ってから行きます。ダチョウの刺身あります。
Yeah.
You.
あなたは演歌歌手知らない人も多い。そうですね。はい、演歌歌手のすごい人見知りの方が。
First time eating ostrich meat. I've eaten the eggs before, but never the meat. 大丈夫？まあどう？おばあちゃんそう言わずに見に来てよって言ったら、自信ないなって言ってたんで、じゃあ私娘連れて行くから見に来てって言ったら、それだったら絶対行くって言っておいしい？Yeah, I think so as well. わあ、面白い。Nice. Right. まだ生きてる。やった。Nice. Right, Neo Park Zoo. Let's go.
Good boulder.
Oh, good boulder. Yes. Oh, they got capybaras as well. Nice. Awesome. That's right. Oh. Hello? Oh, there's flamingos up ahead as well. Oh, nice. Holy crap. You know that bird over there? That bird and the tapir, they're friends. So the tapir protect the bird, and the bird keep the tapir clean. Yeah.
Maybe bug eat bug.
Yeah, no, no, the birds eat the bugs. Whoa. I've never seen one this big, ever. My first time seeing it in person. Whoa. Whoa. Oh yeah, the train's there. Wow. Whoa. They're also active and playful. Aww. Aww. I think these bats are just having a chat. Or they're talking to each other, I think. And the other one's just rolled up into a ball. Oh, you ever seen these cats before? Kind of like, not like leopard, but something different. Oh. Toucan. Let's go!
めちゃめちゃおもろパーク。
Whoa. Oh, order. so I bought the taco rice with lettuce and also a taco burger as well. A lot of food, but I really want to enjoy this. You know, you said you were scared of driving because it's been a long time, but you're doing a great job, and it's nighttime as well. You're doing a really good job.
行き過ぎちゃったんだ
Alright, so after a bit of a few scares, Tomohiro nearly ran into one car head on. He also nearly, well, it wasn't his fault, but like, a little girl just ran in front of the car, but luckily we were quick to react. We finally managed to return the car and we are now on our way back home so we can finally eat.
だかで行くか迷ってて、バスだとやばいじゃないですか。
そうですね。パークって言ったら。
です、やばいですよね。でも何年ぶりかに来るの。
すげえ。
すいません。バイバイ。わあ、すげえ。Oh, time for the main event. Nice.